Hello guys, welcome back to Aura Wave Studio. Join me as I take you on the challenge of avoiding music copyright issue on CapCut, and I will show you how to do it for real. As a content creator, you likely no stranger to the world of music and video editing. But have you ever stopped to think about the music you are using in your videos? Are you sure you are using it legally? Music copyright issues can be a huge headache, especially when you are using a platform like CapCut to edit your videos. Getting a copyright strike can be devastating, and it's crucial to avoid it if you want to keep your channel safe. Copyright can be a nightmare for creators. Imagine pouring your heart and soul into a video only to have it taken down because of a copyright claim. Not only does it affect your videos, but it can also impact your entire channel. Multiple strikes can lead to your channel being suspended or even terminated. That's a worst case scenario no creator wants to face. The uncertainty of whether your video will be taken down can be stressful. You have spent hours creating content and suddenly it might not be available to your audience. The fear of losing your audience, trust is another concern. When your videos get taken down, it can make you look unreliable. Your audience starts to wonder if your content is safe to watch. So on this video, I'll be showing you a website where you can get free music to add to your video editing to avoid copyrights. Make sure you stay tuned, follow this video from beginning to the end, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, here we are. To avoid music copyright issue while editing on CapCut, follow this smart and safe practice. So now, as you can see, I already added music. So, well, number one, use royalty-free or copyright-free music. CapCut music library has many tracks marked as no copyrights or for use on TikTok, YouTube. These are generally safe, but always read the license info. Check if attribution is required. How to find it? Just open your CapCut, tap audio and sound. This is our CapCut. Then here we need to tap on audio, then click on the sound. You will see different music and you have to read all the instructions because you have to check if attribution is required. That means you can't just use any music here anyhow without you not check if the music is being allowed or not. So now, okay, let's check this. This Majesty Harmony, let's click on it. Immediately we click on it, we add it. We don't want to play it. Then let me delete this. Then for you to know if this music is available to use or not. Now we added it already. Now let's click on it and check if the license allow us to use the music to edit or not. So let's click on copyrights. Then let's click on recheck. So it's going to be checking. Okay, it's checking the copyright right now. Then here is where we know if the music is available to edit freely to upload to your YouTube, TikTok, or any other platform for free without not having copyright strike. Let's wait for a minute. Let it load. Let it load. If it is copyright free, it will shows, and if it is not copyright free, it will shows to let us know that this music is not available to use on your video. So let's wait a minute. It takes a little bit of time to load. Let's wait a while. You can see those are the sound we check from TikTok or CapCut app rather. So can you see your video will be muted on TikTok? Copyright issue of video sound were detected. Please replace this issued sound. You can still post this video, but it will be muted on TikTok. That means if you try to post this video on your TikTok, it will be muted. Also on your YouTube, it will be muted. Copyright claim. That means this sound is not available to use. Those are the things you have to avoid, because if you don't avoid this, it can also affect your entire channel. So let's cancel this. So now upload your own licensed music. If you have bought music from a royalty-free platform like Epidemic Sound, Artist, or Audio Jungle, you can upload it to CapCut. So Epidemic Sound, Epidemic site is a site whereby you can get free licensed music to add to your video. Then all you need to do is to just tap your audio, your sound, import from your phone storage. Make sure you have the license or proof of purchase, because if you don't have the proof of purchase, they won't allow you to upload the video on your YouTube or your TikTok. So now, number 3, use TikTok signed music if posting to TikTok. If you know that you wanted to post this video on TikTok, then go to TikTok and check the free music or free voiceover or free beats that you can add to your video for TikTok to allow you to post the video on TikTok. You have to use the free licensed music on your video. And remember, when exporting to TikTok, CapCut lets you use music that's already licensed for TikTok. That is for TikTok use only. This avoids copyright flags on TikTok only, not on YouTube or Instagram. Can you hear? It only allows you to post the video on TikTok only, not on YouTube or Instagram. Avoid popular songs unless you have permission. Trying to avoid popular song is when you avoid all those music, popular music, like artist music. I'm talking about popular music. You understand that? Popular music, when we are talking about popular music, those are the sound like all those Davido, Wizkid, Burna Boy music. You have to avoid it. You have to avoid that. So you have to avoid the copyright music especially. So uses Creative Commons music with caution. Free music archive, YouTube audio library. You can also search for YouTube audio library to search to get your free licensed copyright music. Like, you'll be free from anything copyright. If you check your YouTube audio library, you see most free music that you can use to edit your video on your CapCut without not having any copyright strike. Offer music that you can use freely, but always check if attribution is required and if the license allows commercial use. Give proper credits. Make sure you give proper credits while editing as well. If you don't give proper credits, they won't allow you to use the music. If music require credits and this is your video description, you have to put everything. You have to copy and put the name of the artist, the name of the track inside the video before you upload on any platform. So now you can see we have tried the sound. You can see the sound here. That means it has a copyright strike. We have to delete it. Let's check another sound that we know that it won't have a copyright strike. Okay, let's check this. Okay, I don't want to play it, so let's check this. If this is free on CapCut, we'll know. So just go back, click on copyright, then click on recheck. Let's check this for a minute and also wait till it's load till the end. You can see it's checking. We're checking it right now. Those are the things you have to be avoiding. Copyright music can be headache sometimes, in most cases. And also, CapCut also partner with music providers to offer tracks that are cleared for use in videos. These tracks are usually labeled as royalty free. Once you see those music, that means they are free to use because CapCut has already partner with them and make their royalty free or license for commercial use. Using these tracks can give you peace of mind knowing you're not risking a copyright strike. It's a simple way to protect you. It's a simple way to protect your content. Yeah. But there's one method that stands out above the rest, using CapCut's own audio tools to create unique soundtrack. So that means if you wanted to use those sound, you have to make sure you check if the royalty is free or not, or maybe it is licensed for commercial use only. You have to know the difference, because if it is not royalty free and you use the sound, they will mark your channel copyright infringement. So that is the issue that you have to look after. You have to watch after those issues while trying to use music on your video while editing. So let's wait till we check this sound, because I already added a new sound which is inspired motivation. Let's wait till it's load, because it's still checking. It takes a bit of time to check. In most cases, you can see still checking. Can you see your video will be muted on TikTok? Copyright issue of video sound were detected. Please replace the issue sound. You can still post this video, but it will be muted on TikTok. So for you to use this sound and it will be muted on TikTok, that means it will be also muted on YouTube. But in most cases, it won't be muted on YouTube if you posted it as short. But if it was posted as a long video, it will be muted. For real, it will be muted, because YouTube don't allow people to use other people's music while editing video, and you wanted to post it on a long page video, not short. You know, YouTube short is different from normal video uploading. So YouTube short is different. If you are posting this video on YouTube short, it will be okay. But if it is the long side, it won't allow you to do that. So let's cancel this. So you have to cancel this. Now, as you can see, we have to cancel this without using. In most videos, you don't even need to use sound. If your music, well, if your video needs music, I will advise you to just go on epidemicsound.com. Like they said here, you have to check it. Free websites where you can get free sound. Upload your own licensed music if you have bought music from a royalty free platform like Epidemic Sound. So I'll be showing you this Epidemic Sound also on our next video. Just make sure you stay tuned and watch the video from beginning to the end. On our next video, I'll be teaching you how to use Epidemic Sound free licensed music. You have to purchase it, but the price is not that really cost. You only all you need to do is to just subscribe to their channel, subscribe to their platform, and continue using their free licensed music on any video. And all you need to do on what you need to apply to that before using that. See you on my next video. Bye for now.